this is Loren from High Tech. We're here with Chuck here,
Yep.
the CEO, and we're lighting up the office, brand new office. So our whole office is set up with a bunch of Ethernet cable, or Ethernet drops on every office or every room. And in order to light everything up, we actually need one of these. It's a 8-port work group switch, and it's a fanless design because we want it to be.
It says 10-port line.
Yeah. Oh, okay. It's a 10-port. Bonus ports. 2 more ports. So we're gonna get one of these. Again, it's a fanless design. It has an uplink port just in case you want to cascade more switches. It has the ability to do that, and it's going to be nice and quiet and run cool because it's a fanless design. To put that in the cabinet, we got this nice outdoor rated Velcro strip. That way we don't have to drill anything into the wall. It's rated for 15 pounds and guarantee it'll hold this up because it's way less than 15 pounds and there's no wind. So we'll do that. After everything's all connected, we also have a Wi-Fi router here, though we want to work outside. And in order for us to get coverage outside, we also need to expand our coverage with this. It's a Wi-Fi extender. And what this will do is you don't need anything except the electrical outlet. Just plug this in and it'll extend your Wi-Fi coverage outside of your office and outdoors. So I know Chuck's about halfway through the install already. So give me any thoughts on any tips on putting on the Velcro?
Well, I would actually put it together like this. So it comes together as 2 different things. But if you put it together, you cut it, then you just take off the sticky on both sides and stick it on where you want it. We're just trying to figure it out that way.
Yeah.
And the other thing is, from a security standpoint, everything we do is encrypted. So as you see, like it's a TrendNet switch, and we have these Wi-Fi extenders, but we actually encrypt all of our data up before it goes up to the internet or anything that we do. We have certain gateways we go through, so we make sure everything's encrypted if you guys are curious about it from a security standpoint.
That's a good tip. I'm not saying Linksys is bad. I'm just saying I wouldn't use it in my office.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button or hit subscribe to get updates. And thanks a lot, Chuck.
Yep, thank you.
Right.